Hey beautiful people, Madam Sophie here again to do another video. This time I'm going to be reviewing a concealer, and the concealer I'm going to be reviewing today is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I have used this concealer before, and what I can tell you is that this is a very good concealer. I really love the finished look of this concealer, and I just really thought that because I was so impressed that I should come on here to tell you guys about this product. Now, this L'Oreal Paris Full Wear Concealer have been out for some time. I think it's been out for probably about 3, 4, 5, 6 months now. If you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, I surely welcome you to my channel. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you enjoy your time here on my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section to let me know that you're new here so I can welcome you with open arms. And don't forget to, in addition to subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell that is right next to the subscribe button so that you could be notified every time I release a new video here on my channel. To my regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Thank you for being a constant supporter on my channel, as I highly value and appreciate that. So let's jump right into this concealer tutorial. Okay guys, so I have this concealer in two colors. I have it in the color Caramel and I have it in the color Honey. Caramel is in 400 and Honey is in 415. So these are the two colors I have this concealer in, and just let me see if there are any instructions on here. Okay, so I'm going to apply this concealer as a highlight because the caramel color is a little lighter than my skin tone, and the honey color is it's more towards my skin tone. In order to make sure that I do these products justice, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm going to be using this foundation just so that I do these concealers justice. So before I jump into applying my foundation, I'm going to go in the color 415 Honey to kind of conceal these dark spots I have on my face. I'm going to go in the L'Oreal Paris Pro Glow Infallible 24-hour foundation. And this foundation gives you a radiant finish, so it's not a full coverage foundation. And for it not being a full coverage foundation, I actually really love this foundation, by the way. I think that this foundation is amazing because it's very lightweight. So I really love the lightweight feel of it when I apply it to my skin. Before I move into applying the foundation, just so you know, let me do a quick swatch of what the color Caramel looks like. Okay, so the color at the top is Caramel, and the color at the bottom is going to be what Honey looks like. Okay, so this is what the shade range looks like for these two colors, and as you guys see, the Caramel color is probably about 2 shades or a shade lighter than my skin color, and the Honey color is a little closer to my skin tone as well. So I'm going to jump right into applying my foundation. I'm going to jump into the color Caramel, and that's what I'm going to apply to highlight the areas I would love to on my face. So I'm going to jump into the color Caramel. What I can say is this concealer really worked with um, covering. It was definitely I wouldn't say it's a full coverage concealer, but it did cover quite a bit, and I really like the way my skin looks using it. Okay, so this is the coverage I was able to get using the L'Oreal Paris Full Wear concealer in the color 400 caramel and 415 honey. I hope that you guys really like the tutorial. I hope that you guys I kind of did these concealers justice. I think that if I wore a foundation that was more on the full coverage side, my blemishes would not be showing up like it is right now. But I decided to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation for this tutorial, and I think that's kind of one of the reasons why everything is not really full coverage. I think I would kind of consider it to be full coverage, but I mean, because I'm seeing everything up close and personal, I believe that's why I'm seeing my blemishes. But I think for people to see your blemishes after using this concealer, they're gonna really have to be checking out your face, like looking at your business. So definitely, I bought these one buy one get one half off at Ulta, or maybe I used a coupon or something, but I bought it on sale. Okay, honey, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that you liked this tutorial. I think that this concealer is Sophie approved. It is definitely a good concealer for the price range. This is a very good affordable concealer, and I would definitely recommend this. So that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe on your way out. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time on the Madame Sophie channel, don't forget to drop something in the comment section to let me know that you're a new subscriber so that I can officially welcome you to the Sophia Squad. And to my regular viewers, thank you for tuning in once again. Thank you for being a supporter on my channel. So again, that is going to be it for today. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.